Hello there, this is me, Ansh Pandey, and you're watching One India News English. Election season is on, and nowadays, more than election commission or the political parties, it is the Supreme Court that is buzzing with some new orders. As if the electoral bond judgment wasn't enough, the Supreme Court appears to be in a mood to deliver a new judgment, which will change the shape of elections in India. How? Have a look at this. The Supreme Court of India has taken a significant step by issuing a notice to Election Commission of India and the Centre in response to a plea urging comprehensive count of the Voter-Verifiable Paper Audit Trail (VVPAT) slips during the elections. This move comes as a response to the current practice where VVPAT verification is limited to just 5 randomly selected electronic voting machine (EVM) per assembly segment. The lawyer, the petitioner, and he is a very known activist, Arun Kumar Agrawal, has emphasized the necessity for every EVM to be meticulously tallied against the VVPAT slips. Additionally, the plea advocates for allowing the voters to physically deposit their VVPAT slip in the ballot box to ensure the accurate recording of their ballots. A bench comprising of Justice B.R. Gavai and Justice Sandeep Mehta has not only issued notice to Election Commission but has also assigned and aligned the plea with other pending matters concerning the EVM and VVPAT procedures. Agrawal's petition specifically challenges the Election Commission's guideline mandating sequential VVPAT verification, citing delays in counting process. The petitioner contends that simultaneous verification and the deployment of additional officers in counting for each assembly constituency can accelerate the complete verification of the VVPAT slips within 5 to 6 hours. Moreover, despite significant government expenditure on the procurement of the VVPAT machines, only a fraction of VVPAT slips are currently verified, raising concerns about the integrity of the electoral process in India. Amid growing apprehensions raised by the experts regarding the VVPATs and EVM coupled with reported discrepancies in the vote count in the past, Agrawal highlights the critical importance of meticulously counting all the VVPAT slips. Furthermore, allowing voters to physically deposit their VVPAT slip might enhance the transparency and ensure confidence in the electoral process. The issue of tallying VVPAT slip with EVM has been a contentious subject for some time. Opposition of India has often accused the EVMs of being hacked, but they have often failed to prove the claim. Before the 2019 Lok Sabha polls, the leader of the opposition parties had approached the Apex Court seeking VVPAT verification of at least 50% of all EVMs, although the Supreme Court increased the number of random EVM to be tallied in VVPAT by just 5% at that time. And so the matter continued to draw attention. In May 2019, the court dismissed the similar plea advocating for VVPAT verification of all EVM, underscoring the need for a balance between transparency and practicality in the election procedure. However, the court has remained open to address the concern raised through public vegetation, reflecting the commitment to uphold the integrity of electoral process while ensuring public trust in democracy. Though the impact of this decision and this summon on the 2024 elections is very unlikely, yet this notice has given an opportunity and opened a window to close the validity debate once and for all EVMs. Also, it will be very interesting to see how this case follows on.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.